Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize a credit card for Coinbase subscription payments. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Coinbase website. Log into your Coinbase account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the settings icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on the settings icon to open the settings menu. In the settings menu, select the payment methods option. On the Payment Methods page, click the Add Payment Method button. Choose Credit/Debit Card from the list of payment options available. A new window will appear asking for your card details. Enter your card number in the designated field. Fill in the expiration date and the security code from the back of the card. Provide your billing address associated with the credit card. After entering all required information, click the Save button to proceed. Coinbase may prompt you to verify your credit card. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the verification process. Once verified, your credit card will be authorized for subscription payments. To confirm your card is set up, revisit the Payment Methods page. You should now see your credit card listed as an authorized payment method. Now you are ready to use this card for Coinbase subscription payments. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.